In this video, we are going to learn about the anatomy of the spinal cord, what we call the different regions of the spine, and incomplete versus complete injuries. To start off, this right here is an image of your spine from the side. So following from the very top by your head all the way down to your bottom. Each one of these segments right here are what we call vertebrae. We'll come back to a diagram and a picture that looks similar to this, but for now, this just gives you an idea of what your spine looks like from the side. This image shows 3 vertebrae stacked on top of each other. The vertebrae are the individual bones in the spine that protect and support the spinal cord. When all of the vertebrae are stacked on top of each other, this creates a tunnel where the spinal cord can pass through. So right here we have our spinal cord, which is going through an open space created by stacking all of the vertebrae. These nerves, which you can see right here, these small yellow pieces, are what allow us to be able to feel sensation in our body and on our skin. For example, when we feel clothes on our body or feeling our foot hit the ground when we're walking, those are all sensations that we're able to feel because these nerves are intact. When damage happens to this area, you can lose feeling or feel pain, numbness, or tingling. So when a spinal cord injury takes place, this will affect your ability to feel sensations. Breaking down the spinal cord into regions, we have that top yellow section, which is the cervical region. The blue section is the thoracic region. The green section is the lumbar region, and the orange section is the sacral region. If you have an injury at C2, then your injury was in the cervical region at the second vertebrae. If you have an injury at S3, then your injury was in the sacral region at the third vertebrae. The higher up, closer to the head that you have your injury, then the more dysfunctions and deficits will be present. Another way that you might be hearing healthcare providers describe your level of injury could be as complete or incomplete. If you're told your injury is incomplete, then it means that some messages and signals from the nerves can still go to and from the brain. These people may experience some feeling, muscle control, and function from below the level that they had their injury. On the other hand, if you have a complete injury, then there is no communication with the nerves below your level of injury, and muscle control, function, and feeling below your injury is lost. If you have any additional questions about your level of injury or how it's classified, please reach out to your healthcare team for clarification and support.